Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you? Today I bought a new pattern of hanging plant with this beautiful heart leaves. Let's start making it together. You can see I took the synthetic yarn. It is 8 ply yarn and my hook size is 2.75. This is a smaller hook. I want my stitches to be very tight. That's why I took the smaller hook. Make a knot and then 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 chains, and the fourth chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 3 treble crochet. One, 2, 3. In the same hole again make a second triple crochet. You have to make 3. Now you have 4 chains and 3 triple crochet. Now make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Three triple and 3 double crochet. Now make 1 chain and 1 treble again. Then 1 chain, and now again this is the half part of the heart is ready. So now you have to repeat the same thing over here on the other side. So what I'm going to do now, take 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3 double crochet. Now make 3 treble, 1, 2, and that's the third treble crochet. And now make 4 chains again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the same hole over here just take a slip stitch, and you can see this is complete. Take 12 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again from 1, 2, 3, 4 in 4 chain make 3 treble crochet, 1 2 1 treble crochet, again 2 treble crochet, and again make 3 treble crochet. Now make 3 double crochet, three treble, then 3 double, and now make 1 chain and 1 treble crochet, then again 1 chain. Now make 3 double crochet. You have to repeat this pattern backward over on the other side. And 3 treble, and then 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4, and then slip stitch. And then again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So you can see another heart is ready. So you have to keep going like this until you reach the desired length. It's up to you how many you want in one like one vine or one stem. I keep some of them in 3, some 4, some 5, and some 7. So keep going like this, and I will show you when I made the full vine. I made 4 leaves in this one. Cut the yarn and leave a longer edge so you can make the knot together. Okay, you can see, and when this one you made it, it's bit turning from this side. So what I did a steam iron on this one. Don't put the iron directly on it, just give a gap of half an inch from your work and iron, and then just steam it. Don't put the iron on the top of your work, just give a steam. So you can see it will open up the stitches that's after the steam, and this is the new one. And you can see in this one what I did, like they are turning like this, the corners. So it's better to give a steam after you finish your work. So I made total of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I made total of 7 leaves, and let's assemble it together. You can see the loose end under this one. So if you're going to cut from here, it might get unstitch your work. So just make a knot like this, closer to your work, like this, and cut the yarn And because I am using a synthetic yarn, I can use a little bit of lighter to secure this end. I made this cup. It's like a basket. Fill this with polyester. And now put this on the top. Okay, so I have to stitch it with gray color yarn, but before I put it in on the top, let me put all this over there. I keep enough yarn in the top of these stems so I can make a good size of good knot. I need a bigger size hook to pull all this at the back of the soil. Twist it together so it will be easier. It's all done. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in my next video.